Create all your family favorites with Frigidaire's most advanced convection system, Total Convection. With Total Convection, you get over 15 easy-to-use cooking modes, so you can whip up quick and yummy breakfast favorites or crispy and tender wings on game day. What makes our Total Convection system so great? It all starts with our versatile dual-speed motor and powerful 3,800-watt heating element that allows you to cook as high as 450 degrees or as low as 100 degrees. Plus, our newly redesigned 11-blade convection fan with convection cover reduces fan noise and optimizes airflow for better heat distribution. The Total Convection system helps you achieve it all. No preheat, air fry, slow cook, steam bake, steam roast, air sous vide, dehydrate, convection bake, and more. Total Convection, your complete cooking system.